Imagine hearing as a refined symphony where each component plays a vital role in the harmony of sound. Hearing loss, in this context, is like a dissonance, an obstacle that obscures the rich melody of daily life. In this scenario, Clarisil Pro emerges as a deft maestro, conducting a composition designed to undo toxic chemical blockages and restore auditory fullness. The Navajo Superfood Maestro. At the heart of Clarisil Pro lies a secret formula, a Navajo superfood, revealed by Robert Beiler. This formula acts like a sheet of music, where each ingredient plays a specific role in hearing restoration. The Navajo superfood, like a rising star, brings with it unique properties designed to attack harmful chemical blockages. The 1-minute natural movement. Imagine a 1-minute natural hearing loss protocol as a dynamic symphony movement, a burst of energy designed to undo the knots that keep music from reaching your ears. This quick protocol, crafted with the precision of an experienced maestro, seeks to dispel toxic chemical blockages that may have accumulated over time. The Navajo superfood as hearing elixir. To visualize the Navajo superfood, think of it as an elixir that promotes hearing health, a magical potion distilled from ancient wisdom. This special ingredient, like a virtuoso musician, contributes to the harmony of auditory restoration. Each component of this superfood can be compared to a talented musician in an orchestra, playing their part to create a harmonious symphony of hearing health. The hearing orchestra. Consider listening like an orchestra, where different elements collaborate to produce a magnificent symphony. However, when chemical blocks come into play, it's as if musicians start playing the wrong notes, creating a cacophony instead of a melody. Clarisil Pro acts as the conductor, restoring order so that each instrument, represented by the components of the Navajo superfood, plays its part perfectly. The melodic journey of hearing restoration. Imagine the hearing restoration journey as a musical journey, where every note resonates with healing potential. The 1-minute protocol is like a quick movement, a change of rhythm in the symphony, eliminating obstacles to allow the melody of the audition to flow freely. Along this journey, the Navajo superfood acts as a guide, providing nourishment and support every step of the way. Hearing condition as an obstacle in the melody of life. See hearing loss as an obstacle that prevents the music of life from being heard in its fullness. Clarisil Pro, with its secret formula and 1-minute protocol, is like the key that unlocks this blockage, allowing the symphony of hearing to be enjoyed once again. It's as if previously muffled notes resurface, filling life with a rich sound that was absent. Dispelling chemical blocks like mist. Visualize the chemical blockages as a fog that obscures the clarity of the music. Clarisil Pro acts like a gentle wind, dispelling this fog and revealing the purity of the underlying melody. The Navajo superfood, with its unique properties, functions as a guiding light, illuminating pathways obscured by chemical blockages, allowing the music of hearing to flow unhindered. The importance of professional consultation. Just as a conductor regularly consults with expert musicians to ensure the quality of the performance, it is crucial to understand that the use of supplements, including Clarisil Pro, should be guided by healthcare professionals. They play the role of music critics, ensuring the symphony of hearing health is performed safely and effectively. In short, Clarisil Pro is like a symphony for restored hearing, where the secret Navajo formula and natural 1-minute protocol act like talented musicians in an orchestra, working together to restore harmony to hearing health. This journey, full of musical analogies, highlights the importance of approaching hearing loss comprehensively and consulting healthcare professionals to ensure safe and effective hearing melody. Product link in comments.